Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of welding with the ANDELI Double Pulse 220 volts MIG Welder, a versatile 5-in-1 inverter machine that offers MIG, lift-TIG, pulse, and MMA welding capabilities, along with flux welding without gas, all displayed on a user-friendly LCD screen. This welder is designed for both beginners and seasoned professionals, featuring an intuitive menu that allows you to easily select welding modes, materials, and wire types, ensuring precise results every time. With its synergically designed wire feed speed control, you can achieve smooth and excellent welds by simply adjusting it to suit your application, and it comes equipped with safety features that automatically protect the machine from overheating or voltage and current overloads. The ANDELI MIG-270P Pro utilizes multiple IGBT inverters, providing real output current and strong input, which significantly increases the duty cycle, allowing you to push the machine to its limits. Certified with CE and backed by an efficient customer service team, this welder offers peace of mind with a 2-year warranty and free replacement parts. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the ANDELI Double Pulse MIG Welder is a powerhouse that will make you fall in love with welding. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more product reviews and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.